actually a fun interactive session. We're not trying to lecture anybody. I don't lecture. I have 3 kids of my own from the ages of 10 to about 4, and they do not listen to me when I start lecturing them. So we're not going to do that at all. The idea today is to understand what mental health is. Does anybody have any clue about mental health? What does it mean?
Mental health is like being mentally healthy, like having no problems on your mind.
Like many people have problems such as like they don't have money and so they get into depression.
Yes, so depression is definitely one word, yeah.
Like when their mind is like free, when they don't have like they know that like their mind is like free, they don't have anything to worry about.
Yes. Go ahead.
Like mental health can also be related to your education and also it will if you like how much is.
Yeah. Okay, I wanna ask you, what is physical health? Everybody will know that. That's very nice. Alright, what is it?
Like keeping yourself fit without diabetes and not over fats.
Yeah, not to have too much fat in your body.
When you don't have any diseases.
Free of disease.
When you're like fit and you like you're kind of strong.
Strong.
When you're able to work and everything, like you're able to move around, you're not fixed in one position because of something. Like you're too weak or you have some kind of disease or like that.
So when you're able, yeah, when you don't get sick often. Okay, so you're physically fit at that point, right? So the vision of the company or the foundation is really to have a mentally and physically fit India. And this is actually very necessary because I'm going to show you some statistics about India, which is actually, well, leaves me shocked every time that I look at it. This is not really very clear, but has anybody heard of the World Happiness Index? Nobody? Okay, there is a happiness index which people put together in the government, the economy. It's called the World Happiness Index. Now what happens with that is, they measure a country based on several parameters. Do you know what parameters are?
Yeah.
Who knows it? Who wants to share? What is a parameter? Go ahead.
Different topics, different criteria.
Yes, exactly. So there are different criteria. They're measured on different criteria. Some of the criteria are GDP. Do you know what GDP is?
Yes.
Awesome. I don't think my kids know it. I better move them from the American school to Singapore school. Because I was asked them what GDP is, there's no chance. Alright. Social support. Does anybody know what social support is?
Like when the place where you are, you have support from everyone, so you're not all alone. It will help you to fail.
Yes, and this is especially for the government, what they're looking at. The government social support system.
Like the person who wants to be a prime minister, he needs social support for the vote, so he can.
Yeah, so he buys our votes. No, I'm just joking. Okay, healthy life expectancy, which means that when children are born, they are born healthy. Actually, in India, we have a problem that children are not born healthy. So there are only very few people who are actually born healthy. So you're amongst the lucky people. There's freedom to make life choices. All right, generosity. Generosity. How much are you willing to give someone else? Okay? No, I know you know what generosity is. Because all children want their parents to be very generous with them. My kid comes to me every week and says, can I buy new coins for my, not Minecraft, what's that other game? Clash of Clans. Yeah, I'm like, no, you cannot get gems, that's cheating. Anyway, so perceptions of corruption. So it's all measured on these bases. I want you to take a guess about where India would rank in the World Happiness Index. 56?
29.
29? 43?
Between 50 to 55.
And now, would this thing, this average about 50 be a good average? Like, would India be a good, happy nation with about 50? So what would you expect India to be if it were to be a happy nation?
20.
20?
10.
10? One table first, yeah.
Like,
Quickly, just name the fear.
what if I don't come up with
So what if I do? What fear of failure? What else? Whoever has fear of failure, put their hand up. Humiliation. Fear of being humiliated.
if you get like teased, if you are like
Fear of being teased, which is again humiliation.
too much pressure on you.
Pressure. Pressure makes you feel uneasy. Peer pressure.
It also shows how much you have learned. So if you don't do it, it might show that you haven't learned.
Okay, so what most of you are saying that you have a fear of failure, fear of humiliation, and also what will other people say, right? And
Pressure.
what is the most important thing is how will I feel about myself if I fail, which is what she said. Now the point is this, you have to be in no judgment to yourself to be a happy person. What does that mean?
Self-acceptance.
Exactly, accept yourself for who you are. Be happy inside without thinking of yourself that I am only a good person if I do well, I am only a bad person if I'm a bad person if I don't do well. Right? That has to change. Okay? So I fear exams, I fear fights. Who here fears fights? We already talked about standing up for yourself. I want you guys to show me that. I'm going to rush because I want you guys to show me things, okay? Do you know what self-regulation is?
Setting rules yourself.
Self-regulation is when I feel sad, I can make myself happy. When I feel nervous, I can make myself not nervous. When I feel very scared, I can be there for myself. It's all about taking power within yourself. Who here understands what I mean when I say take the power back?
You don't let the unhappiness get in your way of doing better.
Yeah. You feel the power. How do you feel power? How do you want to stand up? Just to feel power. Okay, now I want you guys to stand your feet. The energy in your feet. Okay, now close your eyes after you stand. Close your eyes. And now feel that power from the other. Feel the power from your feet move up your legs. So vibrations will move up your legs and feel the vibration come to your heart. Okay, so stand 2-3 times. Feel the vibration come to your heart. Keep your eyes closed and feel the vibration come up to your heart. And feel that strength. Okay, so close your eyes. That's enough clapping. Close your eyes and feel the energy because the earth gives us energy. So imagine that you're grounded, like imagine that your feet had roots like a tree. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Imagine that your roots from your feet are going into the ground. Okay? And like the tree which takes nutrients from the soil, feel those nutrients come up into your body. Into your body, all the way up. Imagine it coming all the way up. I want the shoulders back. Nobody is to slouch their shoulders. Body language is very important. Keep your shoulders upright. Keep your head upright. Feel the energy in your body. Focus on the breathing. When you begin to feel the strength inside your heart, in the center of your chest, when you feel that, I want you to sit down. Whoever feels that, the ones that don't, keep doing this practice till you feel the power in the center of your heart. You can imagine that it is like a halo, or you know how the Power Rangers have that source of power in the middle? You can imagine that kind of a power. And all of us have it. So whoever can find it, whoever can tap into that power from the ground, you can even raise your hands up and connect with the power which is on top, which is the power of the universe. So you have the power of the soil, which is Mother Earth, and you have the power of the universe, and connect those two in the center of your chest. When you feel empowered, when you feel that power, do it. When you feel that power inside, then you can sit up. Did you feel it? Good. Whoever feels it, gets it. Don't look around at other people because nobody else has the same power you have. You have to find your own source. I don't want peer pressure making you sick. right in the center. Focus in the center. If you believe in anything, whatever you believe in, you can focus that energy also in the center. And when you are trying to feel this energy, I want you to close your eyes still while you're sitting and say, no judgment to myself.
No judgment to myself.
No judgment to others.
No judgment to others.
Self-regulation. I am in charge of myself.
Self-regulation. I am in charge of myself.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I'm the master of my own destiny.
I'm the master of my own destiny.
Food plays a very important role in your mind. If you are hungry, you cannot concentrate. Yes?
Yes.
If you are sleepy, you cannot concentrate. Yes?
Yes.
So your body needs nutrition. You need a surplus. Do you know what surplus is? Surplus and deficit? More and less?
A lot of something.
Yes. So to get a lot of something, you have to make sure you give yourself a lot. How many of you eat nuts? Please start eating. Your parents are not giving you nuts. Please tell them, I want nuts. And if they say, you are already there, say, no, not those nuts. I need like proper food nuts. I need badam and akhroat and all this. Move on to the next one. So what you eat is very important. All the so they're becoming fat because they're eating bad food. When you become fat, you are unable to think. This is a direct connection. Okay, so the idea is to keep yourself healthy and active. That way your mind is healthy and active. Okay? We have to make sure that we make India the happiest nation, and it starts with each one of you. Okay? So you are the ones who actually start this journey of making India happy. What is your area of surplus? Who here feels that they've got enough happiness to share with other people? So please share it with your team members, share it with your classmates. Try to get them also to feel like that, empowered in their own self. Because the idea is we must hold each other's hand to boost to that level. Do you all exercise?
Yes.
Okay, so I don't have to get that. But exercise, food, and mental health go together. Okay? Now, one second. I want you guys to, how long have you all been in class together?
This year.
Do you?
This year. This year.
You guys all know each other? Would you say you know each other well?
Yes.
I want you to not be with your friends and find someone to talk to who is not your friend. Just pick pairs. Quickly, very fast, last exercise. Pick a pair. Not a friend. Not a friend. Go to someone who you don't know at all. You know each other? Who do you not know? Go find yourself and
covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole. I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments
the scroll.
the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul.